Mendapatkan mobil sport di Gangstar Vegas, langsung saja kita bermain Gangstar Vegas 4. Sekarang ke continue, mendapatkan mobil sport. Ini gimana ya, gampang saja ya. Biar gak pada pusing, kita hapus dulu Gangstar Vegasnya. Biar kalau gak percaya sih langsung aja ya, ketik Gangstar 4 lagi. Kita tunggu bentar, sedang loading. Ya, kita bermulai lagi deh. Klik continue dan kita sudah di rumah sakit lagi. Kita ke tempat parkiran. Memakai motor atau mobil, tapi saya sukanya pakai mobil. Itu kita akan ke
Sure, no one drinks them, but that's what makes them.
sana. Kita akan mobil sport.
Ronnie's rule number 2. Drive west on Highway 9 until you see the flashing lights and pull over. Pay the cop $5. He'll escort you down a beaten road. Then get ready to watch the best animal sacrifice of your life. That being said, I have to point out that animal sacrifices are so 4 days ago. When Ronnie's rule number 3. If you need to listen to my rules to know what to do with yourself, then dude, you have to suck. Find your own path. God. Listen in next week for the next set of Ronnie's rules. I'm Jeff for this one.
Are you lonely? Feeling like your life has lost meaning since your partner passed away?
Get your fine geriatric ass out to Cheeks for sexy senior single Sunday. The days of nailing and
Bilang sekilas begitu ya. Oh, itu dia mobil sport lagi. Kita tangkap dan selip. Kita tangkap, kita salip dan salip. Kita akan mendapatkan mobil sport. Wah, kita bisa dijual saja ya, biar mendapatkan uang banyak. Cara menjualnya ke sini saja, ada tanda garasi. Sudah tanda garasi, kita masukkan, klik. Nah, kita sudah menentukan 45.000 ya. Sudah sampai sini saja. Itulah tutorial untuk mendapatkan mobil sport ya. See you next time. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe.